Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Brian. In today's video, we're going to be continuing our series on gifts you can make for others. In today's video, we're going to take an idea that was actually my son's idea, and he's going to take my place here in just a moment. And we're going to make coasters. So here you can see an example. Everybody needs coasters, and this is a good holiday gift.
So we started out by CNCing 3 7/8 circles at a 1/4 inch plywood. Some of it was Luan, some of it was maple. From there, we went over to the laser engraver and engraved various designs on there, all of them Christmas or Christian themed in some way. After that, we sanded them, and then finally we clear coated them. And a nice finishing touch is to tie some twine or ribbon around there like a present, especially in a 4-pack.
Thanks for watching today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget that coasters are a relatively easy thing to make. If you have some creativity and you can put some designs on the front, there's an infinite number of ways you can customize these. And I look forward to seeing you in a future video.